Here we have our 2017 Beetle SEL convertible, finished off in silk blue and with the beige combination. And I don't think this video is going to do justice on this finish. It's absolutely stunning. This particular Beetle has the HID lighting kit. So you get bi-xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. So being in an SEL is absolutely fully loaded. Has features such as blind spot monitoring, park pilot, fender audio system, backup camera, navigation, keyless entry, push button start. Here's your cover when you have your top down. There's your Fender subwoofer. Silk blue is absolutely beautiful. And then you have the corn silk beige interior. So there's your navigation head unit, dual climate control, there's your park pilot button, your push button start. So 1.8 turbo, 4-cylinder engine, regular gas is what's recommended. Let's see if the camera will pick up the finish. And there you have it. Absolutely gorgeous.